So, here we are inside the Body Gallery, and you can see the sign there that's on our current counter that will be demolished as of today. And if you take a look around, we've got clothes, and more clothes. We have purses. We have jewelry. Cute little pieces there. And then we have more purses. And back here is our tanning salon. You can see we go back here. Oh, it's a little dark, but now we have this new space that we've added for men and children in the back. Look at those gorgeous men's outfits there. Let's zoom in. We have beautiful Robert Graham shirts, blue stripes, black and white, and a pair of True Religion pairs of it. Then we have a Lacoste with another pair of True Religion. And we have a Banana Republic. This one is a nice embroidered shirt, black, with a pair of True Religion. And here we have a cool pair of antique denim for men. Beautiful colors there. Blue, kind of velvet decal on the pocket. And that's paired with a nice Guess blue and gray striped shirt with French cuffs.